My screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I'm saying roots, what are roots? If a number is written in roots, for example, if I'm saying 48, a number is written in 48. So first you factor it. Okay, factor it. 48 can be written as 16 into 3. And 16 can be further written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And how you know this one? You can get 48. Now read the table of any two numbers that is going to have the multiply. When they multiply, they will give you 48. For example, 16 3s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So right here 6 into 8. Okay, 48 can be written as 6 into 8. But you see that here 6 is not a prime number. Okay, so 6 into 8 is will not be considered as a prime factorization. Okay, so you have to further split this 6 and 8. So what is, you know that this is 2 into 3. This is now 2 is also prime and 3 is also prime. So keep it in bracket. Okay, now you know 4. 4 into
Yeah.
2. 2 is prime, but 4 is not prime. So again, split this 2. 4, 2 into 2. So now this is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, the numbers that are in square. Okay, this is the splits. Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now what you need to do here is, this is, if I'm writing here 48, so 48 root 48 can be written as 2 into 2. Item, how many 2s are there? There are 4 2.
4.
Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so when we keep a number outside the root, so we just take them in pairs. For example, there are two numbers, 2 times 2, or we can say that there is one pair of 2. So you will take this one pair of 2 outside and it will be considered as one time only. We are just taking 2, but we are just we'll write only one time. Again, this 2 is also in pair. The 2 are also in pair, so we will write one time here. And now this 3 is not in pair, so we will keep it inside the root. If there is an extra 3, then we can keep it out. But if it is not in the pair, the 3 is not having extra 3 here. They are having only single 3. They are not in pair, so we'll keep it in the root. So one pair, this comes out. One pair, this comes out. Okay, and this will be written as like this. So let 2 to the 4 root 3. So 48 root 48 can be written as 4 root 3. Okay, note it down.
Done, sir.
Done. So let's move further. If I'm having this one, another number that is root 72. So how will you bring this one in shorter form? Name two numbers or that are going to have the product as 72.
Um,
Tell me the two numbers that are going to have the product as 72.
uh, 36 into 2.
36 into
2.
36 into 2. Okay. You know 72 can be written as 9 8s are 72.
Oh,
9 8s are 72. Now further you can write it 9 because 9 is not a prime number. So we'll have to split into now this 3 into 3. Now these are the prime numbers. Now 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Then now these are the prime numbers. So this is under root of 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. This 3 pairs will comes out. It will be written as 3. This 2 pair will comes out. It will be written as 2. This 2 is not going to have any pair. So it will be written inside that. So this will be written as 6 root 2. You understood?
yeah.
So let's me write 64. If a number is written in root 64, then what is it is going to have the value?
Eight eight is 64.
Yes, you can write 8 into 8 is 64. Then further split is 2 into 2 into 2. Further split it
8.
2 into 2 into 2. So it can be
Yeah.
written as how many 2? You write it 8 into 8. Then this, if it is in pair, you can also bring this one because 8 is in pair, so it can come out. So it can be written as 8. 8. Okay. If it is 8 are there are 8 2 and the number is not remaining, so you can comes this 8 will pair of 8 will comes out. Okay. Otherwise, you can
Okay.
write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times 2. Then the one pair of 2 will comes out. Then again another pair of 2 will also comes out. Then another pair of 2 will also comes out. Then it will give you 2 into 2 into 2 will get 8. Got it?
Yep.
Next. Do this one.
Okay.
56. Do 56. Root 56.
So the answer will be root 84.
Root 84. How
Yeah.
can number be bigger than this one? 56 can be written as, name the two numbers that is going to have the product of 56.
8 sevens are 56.
Write it 8 into 7. Is 7 is prime?
No.
So can you tell me in those two numbers that is going to have product is 7? 7 is the prime number. 7 can be easily divisible by itself or only by 1. It does not have any other factor. It is neither divisible by 2, it is neither divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5. It is only divisible by itself. Okay. And 1.
Okay.
So it is a prime number. Okay. And now 8, 8 is 2 into 2 into 2.
Yep.
These are all prime. So write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Now the pair of 2 will comes out. Only the 2 is going to have pair. This 7 and this one 2 is not going to have. The 2 and this 2, 7 is a 14. That will be root 14. Got it?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Understood? Now
Yeah.
moving to the next point. Now addition of roots. Now having it 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Then what it will give? What should be the answer?
5 root 5.
5 root 5. If I'm having 3 root 2 plus 4 root 3, what is the answer?
8 root
8 root 5. 7 root 5. 3, 5. No. The answer will be same. The answer will be same. Different roots are not added. Different roots are not added or subtracted. Different roots are not added or subtracted. You understood?
Yeah. Yes,
Next.
sir.
If I'm having something like 4 root 5 plus 3 root 5. So it will be 7 root 5 because root 5 are not going to add. We just add, just like we have 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x. We are not going to add this x. We will just write here x only. Okay. Similarly, we are not going to add this root 5. Okay. This will remain as same. Only the numbers are added. Okay. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
What you will get when you write 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3? What you will get the answer?
3 root 3.
You will write 3 root 3. Okay. If you are having this 5 root 2 minus 2 root 2, what you will get the answer?
3 root 2.
3 root 2. And if you have 5 root 2 minus 3 root 3,
Same as 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 3 root 3.
good. But in multiplications, if you are having this number that I'm having root 2 into root 2, what you will get? When root 2 is being multiplied with
Root 4.
this will be root 4, and root 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So one pair of 2 will comes out, so it will becomes 2. So for the same numbers are there and they are multiplying, that right, root 5 into root 5, it simply means 5. Got it? Root 7 into
Yeah.
root 7, it simply means 7. Got it? But if I'm
Yeah.
having root 7 plus root 7, what it will gives you?
Root 7.
This is 1 root 7, 1 root 7. Assume if it is not written here 1, so assume that it is 1 root 7 and 1 root 7. So it will give 2 root 7. Got it? So if it
Yeah.
is plus sign, then it will give 2 root 7. Got it?
Yeah.
Now 2 root 8 minus 3 root 2. Just a minute. 2 root 2 minus 3 root. If you are having 2 root 2 into 3 root 2, what you will get the answer?
6 root 4.
6 root 4 is 2. Root 2 multiplied, you will get 2. Okay, so this will be 12. Got it?
Okay.
If you are having 2 root 2 into 3 root 2, 3 root 3, what should be the answer?
4.
Much? 4 root? What, sorry, not 4. This number is going to multiply with number and root is going to multiply with root. So 2 3s are 6. And this root 2 into root 2, root 6. Got it? 6 root 6.
Yeah.
You understood?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
This number is going to, if in multiplication, the different roots can be multiplied. Okay. It is not necessarily the same root is going to multiply. So this is 2 into 3 gives you 6. And root is multiplying with root. So 2 root 2 into root 3, root 6. 2 3 is 6.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Now but tell me 2 root 5 into 4 root 2. What should be the answer?
10 root 12.
10 root 12. Again, think again. Number multiply number with number and root with root. This number is going to multiply with this number.
Okay.
What?
8
4 to the
root 10.
8 root 10. Okay, note it down in the copy.
Done, sir. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now if you are having break brackets, like I have 2 root 2 minus 2 root 7. And if you are multiplying this by root 2. So this number is going to multiply with this number is going to multiply with this number also. Okay. So when this 2 root 2 multiply with root 2, what you will get?
2 root 4.
Again 4. 2 root 4. No, 4 is root 4 is 2. Root 4 is 2. Okay. That is equals to 2. So this root 2 will multiply. The same is when the same roots are multiplied, they will you the root will remove. Okay. So 2 and this is another 2. So this will be 4. And this when multiplied with this one, what you will get? 2 root 7 multiplied by root 2. What you will get?
2 root 14.
2 root 14. Yes, it is correct. 2 root 14. Okay, now solve this one. 2 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. What you will get in the answer?
Mm. The answer will be 8.
The answer will be,
8.
when you multiply this one with this one, what you will get?
I got 6 root 6.
6 root 6. And when you multiply with this one,
4 into 2.
4 into 2 means 8. Now this is
Yeah.
this is without root, so they cannot be added further. Okay, so this is the answer. Got it?
Yeah.
Now let's start the rationalization that we were doing in the previous class. Okay, so this is root 2 upon root 5 plus root 2. Rationalize this one and find the result. Okay, result with that. Okay, rationalize this one. What you will do? You write here root 2 bracket root 5 plus root 2 and then root 5 minus root 2, and this same is going to multiply it here also, root 5 minus root 2. Now solve this portion and multiply this one with this one also. Okay, do it.
So 10 minus 4 by root square minus 2 square. 10 minus 4.
10 minus 4, root 10 minus 4 upon
5 root square minus 2 root square.
okay, 5 root square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay, so what is the square of 5? Root 5 square. The value of root 5 square is root 5 square is root 5 into root 5. So it will,
5.
okay, and root 2 square is,
2.
so what would be the answer? 3.
Yeah.
This is the answer. Okay,
Okay.
understood? Okay,
Yes.
done, copied.
Yes,
Should
I'm
I?
copied.
Okay, next. Root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Solve it. So let me help you, Rima. that you know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab.
Yeah.
Have you heard this formula? Studied this formula?
Yes, yes, I heard
A
this.
square minus by b square is equal to a square. Sorry, a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b.
Plus B square.
Or if it is written like this way, you can write it like this way. Okay.
Okay.
So what you are seeing here, that this can be written as a plus b into a plus b. Again, 2 times. A plus b into a plus b will gives you a plus b whole square. Okay. That is going to have this value. So if I'm writing this way, like this way, root 5 plus root 3 bracket root 5 minus root 3. Why minus root 3? Because it is plus. And this is root 5 minus root 3 is already written here, this one. Now this one is also coming because we have multiplied this one. So you have to also multiply this one. Got it? Ema?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now what we need to do here is, this is exactly same. Root 5 minus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. They're exactly same. So when they're exactly same, they become root 5 minus root 3 whole square. And when these are different, plus, and then here is minus. This is plus sign, this is minus sign, this is opposite. So a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. So when a plus b minus b, it will become a square, means first term square minus second term square. Got it? Got it? Here a is this number, b is this number. Okay. The first number is a, second number is b. Now open this according to this identity. A plus b whole square is a square means root 5 square plus b square means root 3 square. Okay, here is minus, so a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. If it is plus sign here, if it was plus sign here, then it will be a plus b whole square. But it is minus sign here. Okay, you understood, Rima? Because of minus sign, it will become a minus b whole square. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have written here a first term square, then second term square, then minus, then what will write 2 into what I will write ab. Ab, what is a? Tell me. What is a right here? What is a? 2a
It's 3.
root 5. And b is 2ab. What is b?
B is
This is one is a, this one is b. Okay. That is root 5. Means root 3. Means what you need to do here is, okay, let me first teach you this one. We should practice this one. Okay. And this one become, what it will become? Root 5 square means 5 minus root 3 square is 3. Got it?
yeah. But the up one is confusing, so
Yeah, little bit confusing. Let me explain you. Let me explain. If it is written like this way, root 5 minus root 3 whole square. Or if a number is written like this one, like x plus 2y whole square. Let's suppose it is being written like this way. So what we need to do here is the first term square, the identity, using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is actually x. We have what is in place of x here? A is in place of x and b is 2y. Okay. So what we're going to write here? A is square. So write the square of x here. Because in place of a is x is written. In place of a, x is written. In place of b, 2y is written. So when we are doing this, the square of 2b, sorry, b square, we will write here 2y square plus 2y square plus 2ab. 2 into a. A is a. What is a? In place of a, x is written, right here x. In place of b, 2y is written, right here 2y. This will be x square plus 2y square. 2y square means x square is x square, x into x. The square of 2y, the 2y into 2y. When you multiply it, you will get 2 to the 4, and y into y, you will get y square. It is 4y square plus 2 to the 4 x into y, xy. So if I am having another number, let if I am having root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Suppose. So what it will gives you? A is A and this one is B, A plus B whole square. So in place of A, what is written? 5. In place of B, what is written?
2.
2. So we will write here, this is the formula for this one. A plus B whole square is A square. Then tell me what is the formula? A square plus
B square
plus plus
B square
plus 2AB. 2 times A into B. So we will write here A square means root 5 square plus B square means root 2 square, second term square, plus 2 into A is root 5 and B is root 2. You understood? So when you
no.
open this one, the root 5 square means 5, root 2 square means 2, and this when 3 are going to multiply with 2 root 5 to the root 10. Got it? So this will be 7 root 2 root 10. Got it?
No, I still didn't get it.
Still,
I still didn't get it.
you still didn't get it. Also, okay, let it be. We will study this one in the next class. Okay. So I'm just going to change the topic. Okay. So that I've taught you till it. Because if I teach you extra, then you will going to get confused. Okay. So we'll learn this topic freshly. So today we're going to discuss that we have studied till yet. Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay.
I have given you the homework. Did you solve this homework?
Which homework, sir?
The math homework.
So, that's on my sister's phone.
Hmm?
She's not here right now. It's in my sister's phone.
Okay. So Rima, solve this question number 3.
Mm. So the answer will be 3 root 2 plus 2 by 8.
3 root 2 plus 2 by 8. Let me check.
Yeah,
Let me check. That is 3 plus root 2 upon 4 root 2. 3 plus, that is 3 plus root 2 upon 4 root 2. This is the same question.
yeah, yeah,
So this is 3 plus root 2 upon 4 root 2. When you rationalize this, you are going to only, wait a minute, let me plug in the charger. Okay, Ima, are you understood? This is 4 root 2. Now this you are going to multiply with root 2 only. Okay.
yeah,
Because when root 2 multiplied, the root will be removed. So this number is also going to multiply with root 2 also, because you are multiplying extra with root 2. So whatever you are multiplying with root 2, you have to multiply this one in the numerator also. So
mm,
you will find that this root 2 when multiplied with root 2 you will get 2, and 2 multiplied by 4 you will get 8.
yeah,
And when this is being to multiplied with this one, you will get 3 root 2. And when this is going to multiply with root 2 you will get 2. This is the
yeah,
answer.
yeah.
Done?
Yes, I already wrote that.
You get the same answer.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yes.
Very good. Next. Do this do this 10th part, okay? Sorry, not 10th part. Do this 6th part.
Okay.
6th part. Doing Rima?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay, do this.
The answer will be 16 root 4 plus 5 by 36.
16 root 4 plus 5 by
41. 16 root 41 plus 5
okay.
by 36.
Your answer is 16 root 41
Plus 5 by 36.
So
Yeah.
here you see that this is 16 root 41, okay, and this is minus 5, you have multiplied by 5. So when this 16 is going to multiply this one, you have just done a silly mistake here. You have done a silly mistake here. That is 16, and when you multiply by root 41 plus 5, and then in the denominator you have root 41 minus 5, and then root 41 plus 5.
Plus, yeah.
Now you get 41 and 25. What you get? 36.
Root, no.
In the denominator you get 36.
Yeah, denominator I got 36.
Why? Because this is 41 square minus 5 square. The second term is square. Second term is 5. That is not root 5. That is 5. Okay.
Okay.
So when you solve this one, you will get root 41 because it is in root 41. The square will be removed. You will get only 41 here. Root 41 into root 41 is 41, na?
Yeah.
But square of 5 is
10.
it's 25. 5 into 5.
Okay.
25. And this another mistake you have done, that you have multiplied this one. You got 16
No.
root 41, but you have not multiplied this one with this one. You will get plus 16 5s are 80. Got it? So this will be here are the two silly mistakes that you have done. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Note it down.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Now do question number this sixth part.
Mm.
Only sixth part.
Okay. Wait.
Are you solving, Rima?
Yes, I'm solving. So the answer will be root 12 minus root 18 by root 2 square minus 3 root square.
Root 12 minus root 18
Root 18. Yeah.
upon root 2 square minus root 3 square. Hmm?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what is the square of root 2?
2.
And what is the square of 3?
3.
What you will get? 2 minus
1.
3 minus 1.
1.
If it is
Yeah.
3
1.
minus 2, then it will be 1. If it is 2 minus 3, then it will be minus 1. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Do this correction. Note down this question. That is a plus 2 root 2. If a is equals to 2 plus root 3, if it is written.
Which
No,
question, sir?
this 12th question. Note down this 12th question.
Okay. Yeah, I wrote it, sir.
You wrote it. Okay. So if it is given that if a is equals to if a is equals to 2 plus root 3. It was 2 plus root 3, na?
Yeah.
Find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. Or only a plus 1 by a. Only a minus 1 by a. So how will you find out this value? Write this value, Rima. Write this value like this that you used to write. That in place of a, write 2 plus root 3. Okay. Then minus upon 2 plus root 3. Okay. Then rationalize this denominator. But how can you rationalize this one? We'll get 2
Yeah.
minus root 3 and similarly 2 minus root 3. Okay. Got it. This is 2
Okay.
plus root 3 is still going on.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Here it is going on. And this one you will get the first term square is 2 square and minus root 3 square. Then this will be still 1 when multiply with this one, you will get still 2. When multiply with this one, you will get minus 3 to 2 minus 3 is still here. Okay, now you will still it is in multiplication to 2 plus root 3 and will be 2 minus root 3 upon the square of 2 is 4 and that of square of root 3 is 3. This
3.
will be 1 only.
Mm.
1. So this will be 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 and I'm not writing here 1 because 1 in the denominator does not have any meaning. Okay. Just
Okay.
again, this is a plus b, a minus b. This will be 2 square minus root 3 square.
Mm.
Again, it will gives you 2 square is 4 and minus root 3 square is 3. So you will get
Mm.
you will get only.
Mm.
Got it? Note it down.
Yeah.